Hey everybody, once again, welcome back to the channel. The weather's been playing games with me once again, so that's why content has been kind of slow. Well, anyway, last time you was here, I put the tires and new wheels on the Celica, but I didn't install the center caps. So what we're going to do today is clean up the center caps. I'm going to paint them, and we're going to put on some valve stem caps. And also I got in a shipment of lug nuts. I ordered black lug nuts instead of the chrome ones because I figured black would stand out a little bit better or either make the wheels look better. I'm gonna try to make this quick and short as possible because I live in a direct flight path of the airport. So planes fly by here every like 3 to 5 minutes. And it's annoying, but hey, what can I do? So last time you saw the Celica, this is what I had. As you can see, brand new tires. I actually cleaned them up, put a little armor all on them. Looks pretty good. This is the current setup. I love the little vanity plate. You can get those off eBay. And as you can see, these lug nuts, they are like corroded and rusted. So that's why I got the black lug nuts. But let's go in the trunk. You can see this is my shopping cart for right now. Parts for days, I believe. This package? Yeah, this package is the lug nuts. So we're gonna take these over here where the center caps are. Get those opened up. Center caps are already taped up. That's the paint I'm going to be using. Got my tripod set up. We're going to put this camera on the tripod and we'll be right back. Okay, I got my knife. Get this package open. Oh, cool. They came individually wrapped as well. I believe it was 20 or 25. Thank you. I think it's like 25. They're all boxed up and individually wrapped. I'll leave the link where I got these from off of eBay in the description below. Very dope. I don't know why I dumped all of those out. Anyway, shake up the can. You want to make sure your paint is shaked up real good before you get to spraying. If not, it won't be mixed up inside the can, and when it comes out, it'll come out watery. Test spray. We're gonna get to work. Alright guys, so the center cap thing was a fail. I think it's too cold out here to paint. So we're just gonna put on the new lug nuts and go from there. And I actually get to try out, remember I told you about the airplanes every 3 minutes? Well, there you go. But anyway, we're gonna try out this new tube that I just got, and I'll show it to you here in a second. Here's the new tube. So basically it's a non-marring socket set for your wheels. The outside is covered in this some kind of polyurethane, so that way when the socket's spinning, it won't scratch up your custom wheels. I don't have custom wheels yet, but they're still pretty nice and I don't want to scuff them up. All right, everyone. So I had to stop it real quick. It was kind of a win, lose, draw situation with these lug nuts. I had to fight with it, and that tool I was telling you about, it broke on me. It actually split. First use, it split. So I won't be reviewing that tool now because it sucks. So anyway, I'm gonna let you see what this stuff looks like. Here's my valve stem caps that I got from Target. And I'm gonna put these things on and we're gonna see the finished product or what I got done so far. All right, so this is the front driver's side wheel. As you can see, the lug nuts are on, but with these black lug nuts, as soon as you install them, for the focus in, it mars the paint. I didn't think of that. So they look good from afar. When you get up on them, boom, you have marred lug nuts. But that's valve stem cap number 1. And numero dos. Yes, this wheel looks kind of bad. The front one I actually already polished during the summertime. So I'm about to go around and polish these wheels. This one is really bad. Needs to be cleaned as well. All right. Oh, this one already have a cap. Well, we're gonna go with a new cap. It's cracked anyway. And there you have it. Looks all right. I think it's gonna look a lot more sexier when I get the caps on. I actually put another round of paint on them. When it dried, it looked a little bit better. The first go around, the paint was actually like sliding off. So that's why I thought it was a fail, but as you can see, it came out all right. It ain't great. No, that one's bad. That one's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on and see what it looks like. All right, so I put the caps on. All I gotta do now is peel off the tape. The reason why I'm a little disappointed, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist when I try to do things. And if it's not to my liking, then I get a little frustrated with it. But we're gonna peel off this tape and see what the end result looks like here. Maybe it'll be good enough to pass for the time being. And come summertime, I'll perfect everything. Right now, I just wanna, oh yeah, it came out all right. Looks good from 10 feet. So, yeah, we're gonna go with this for right now. Don't you come off. Yeah, that looks good. We'll go with that for right now. And I pretty much can say that this was a success. This wheel setup and lug nuts came out pretty good. It's probably not show worthy, but here we are. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Till next time, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button. And also hit the notification bell so you know when I get new videos dropped. Peace.